Hi friends, this is Pyramid class and I am your math instructor Mamta Mode. Today we are going to discuss the topic second test, that is the side angle side test of a triangle. That means if we are able to prove that the two sides are in the same proportion and one of the corresponding angle are equal, then the two triangle must be similar. Okay, if it is given if one of the angle of a triangle is equal to the another angle and the side including are proportional to it, then the triangle are similar. This will be the statement for side angle side. Okay, we will construct ABC triangle. DEF is another triangle. What is given? That the angle A is equals to angle D and the side AB by DE is equals to side AC by DE. Okay, now we have to prove this triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Okay, now what we are going to do, we will draw a point P on the side DE and point Q on the side DF, such that the DP is equals to AB and AC is equals to DQ, and we will join this line. Okay, as it is given AB by DE is equals to AC by DF, but according to the construction, what we have, in place of AB we can write DP and in place of AC we can write DQ. So we put it here DE and put it here DQ. Okay, so sorry, put it here DQ, and by invertendo, again invertendo means what we are going to do, we are converting numerator into denominator or denominator into numerator. Will be reverse it, DE by DQ and DF by DQ, and we will going to subtract 1 on the both side. On taking the LCM, what we will going to get, DE minus DP by DP, DF minus DQ by DQ. Okay, DE, if we are going to subtract DP from DE, what will be left? PE, correct. If we are going to subtract from DF to DQ, what will get? Only QF. So the new ratio will be DPE by DP and QF by DQ. Okay, so the new ratio will be PE by DP and QF by DQ. Again by invertendo, that is numerator is converted to denominator and denominator is converted to numerator, that is DP by PE and DQ by QF. Now by converse of basic proportionality theorem, what is the converse? If a line is parallel to the basic proportionality theorem says that if one line is parallel to one side, then the side including that points must be in the same ratio. If we have the same ratios, then the line must be parallel. So here DP by PE is equals to DQ by QF. Therefore the line PQ must be parallel to the line EF. Correct. So these are the parallel line. Consider here PQ and EF is a parallel line, and transverse line will be PE and QF. So the corresponding angle must be equal. If lines are parallel, then corresponding angle are equal. Here corresponding angle is P and Q and F. Therefore angle P is equals to angle QE and angle Q is equals to angle F. We are going to give it the equation number 1. Now we will going to see triangle ABC and triangle DP and Q. What we have, AB, side AB is equals to side DP, side AC is equals to side DQ according to the construction, and angle A is equals to angle D according to the given condition. Therefore by side angle side congruency criteria, triangle ABC is congruent to the triangle DP and Q. Correct. Now hence from the congruency, what you will get? Congruency means all the angle must be equal and all the side must be equal. Therefore angle A must be equal to angle D as it is given by congruency. We will get angle B is equals to angle P and angle C is equals to angle Q. But angle P is equals to angle E and angle Q is also equals to angle F. Hence angle B must be equals to angle E and angle C is equals to angle F. But and angle A is already given that it is equals to angle D. So if all the angles are equal, which criteria or which test we have discussed earlier, that is the triple A test, that is angles are equal. So according to the similarity or a triple A test, what we are going to have, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Hence proof. Thank you for watching my video. In the upcoming video, we are going to discuss the S SNS test, and we will going to prove that test. For the previous test, you can go through the link given below the description. That is the AAA test. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like my video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the notification bell, so and stay connected by pressing the notification bell. Thank you.